Hello, today I'm going to be talking about biodegradation of anthropogenic compounds by bacteria. Alright, and we're just going to go right off the bat. Several environmental factors that cause this degradation of these compounds. There can be several factors in this, and some just include temperature, moisture, pH, salinity, and also the supply of oxygen. These inorganic nutrients, they have complex effects on the biodegradation of anthropogenic compounds in soil specifically. And with the biodegradation of the anthropogenic compounds in the soil, the temperature is one of the most important factors that limit the rate of the biodegradation in the soil. And that is from the ScienceDirect.com webpage. That's where I got that from. So now you're asking, what is degradation of these pesticides or anthropogenic compounds? A pesticide is an anthropogenic compound, but now I'm just going to go into specifics, and I'm going to be talking about pesticides. The degradation of pesticides is the breaking down of toxic chemicals into non-toxic compounds, and in some cases back to their original elements. And an example of this pesticide that is being broken down of their toxic chemicals is DDT. Now you're wondering what DDT is. I'm going to say this as best as I can. The scientific name of DDT is the dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. Don't quote me on that. And that was developed as the first of the modern synthetic insecticide in the 1940s. Its initial use was to combat malaria, typhus, and some other diseases that affected the humans. And these diseases were both among the military and civilian populations. So it was used in the military and in everyday neighborhoods. They would just spread it everywhere. It also was effective for insect control and crop and livestock production. It was used in institutions, homes, and gardens. So, like I said, in everyday neighborhoods. DDT's quick access, or their success, was a pesticide in broad use in the United States and other countries. And it led to the development of resistance by many insect pest species. So basically, they just used it so much that so many insects were dying off, and lots of animals were being died off too, because it was affecting that. And I got that from the Environmental Protection Agency website. And in the 1972, the EPA issued a cancellation of DDT, so it was not to be able to be used anymore because of its environmental effects, such as the wildlife population, the human health risk, and the insect life and plant life too. Since then, such as the cancellation, there have been studies, and the studying continues, and the relationship between the DDT exposure and the reproductive effects it has on humans is just bad. Just not good. Also, as I said earlier, the animals exposed to the DDT, in their studies, they developed liver tumors. And today, the DDT is classified as a probable human carcinogen by the U.S. and international authorities. And I got this information from the EPA.gov website. Thank you, guys.